Hi! In front of me is LENOVO TAB M9 and today I would like to show you how you can check all specifications of this tablet. First of all, go into Play Store and click on the search bar. Then type in DevCheck and download this free app from Flarto developer. When it's ready, open it. DevCheck device and system info. Now you can learn all the information about your device's dashboard, hardware, system, battery, network, apps, camera, and sensors. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Bye!